Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can export an Excel file into a PDF but in only one page, okay? As you can see here, I have opened a document which is called Project Planner, and it has basically a bunch of rows and a bunch of columns, as you can see here, right? It has 60 columns and it has over 50 rows, okay? So this could actually normally occupy more than one page. This would probably occupy closer to 2 pages or even 3 pages, right? But what I want to do is I want to squeeze this into one single page. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to page layout here, and I'm going to go to width and height, and I'm going to set it to one page, both for the width and both for the height, okay? Now, after you do this, you want to now export your PDF file, okay? So you want to go to File, and then you want to go to Export, Create PDF, and now you just want to save it to your preferred location, which in my case is going to be actually this one here. And now we can just click on Publish. And as you can see, after it opens, it's squeezed into one single page, okay? What could be the alternative look like? We can also choose, for example, a 2-page layout, okay, for the height in this case. And as you can see, if I export it now, this is how it's going to look. So as you can see here, it's 2 pages. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much.